Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. Duo podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and perfect for everyday life. I'm Emma.
And I'm Leo. Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone listening. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Emma, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Leo. I feel energetic and ready for our new episode. How about you?
I'm feeling good too. Excited, actually. Today's topic is super useful for anyone learning English.
Yes. Today we're talking about daily conversations you must know, the kind of English people use every day, simple, natural, and real.
Exactly. These are conversations you can use anywhere, at work, at home, in a cafe, or when meeting new people.
So, Leo, imagine you walk into your office in the morning. What's the first thing you say?
I usually say, "Good morning, how are you today?"
That's perfect. And a simple answer could be, I'm good, thanks. And you?
Natural and easy. And if you're tired, you can say, "I'm a little tired, but I'm okay."
Exactly. People say that all the time.
Okay, Emma, let's practice another daily conversation. Let's say we meet after work.
All right, you go first.
Hey, Emma, how was your day?
I had a busy day, lots of work. What about you?
My day was pretty good. A little slow, but not bad.
See, simple, natural English you can use anytime. Now let's talk about something everyone does, ordering at a cafe.
Yes, I love this one. Emma, pretend you're ordering your favorite drink.
Sure. Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Perfect. And the barista might say, "Of course. Anything else?"
And I can answer, no, that's all. Thank you.
Easy and polite.
Let's do one more. Making plans with a friend.
Okay, I'll start. Emma, do you want to get lunch tomorrow?
I'd love to. What time?
How about 1 p.m.?
That works for me. See you tomorrow.
So, everyone listening, here are 3 tips to improve your daily English. Keep your sentences short. Use polite expressions like please, thank you, excuse me, and practice with a friend or speak aloud to yourself.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning.
This was a fun episode, Emma.
It really was. And we hope all of you enjoyed these simple and useful conversations.
Tell us in the comments which conversation was the most helpful for you.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Mr. Duo channel for more real English practice.